Come over.
Oh, where are we going?
Oh, around. It's a surprise. Do you like surprises?
I don't know. I don't know, sometimes.
Okay.
So, Mark.
Hey, David, what's going on, bro?
Oh, shoot. All right.
Yeah, check it out.
Wow, man. I was coming to the side and I heard the door.
Yeah.
I was trying to get in and then I heard the door opening. Brand new.
Brand new.
Brand
Gonna get
new. Oh, nice.
We're gonna wire it on. That's a.
Yeah, that's a nice Shelby.
Bro. So Luigi's gonna come and dial it in for me and stuff like that. Yeah, that's a car we're doing a clutch on.
Oh, okay.
A McLeod clutch, twin disc, beautiful car, bro. Belongs to Dave out of Harlingen.
Nice. Yeah, it is pretty nice, dude.
It's
got some carbon fiber.
One owner.
Yeah. Everything looks. I mean, it looks like he doesn't even use it.
Yeah, so it's a weekend. It's a weekend queen. He says.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
He does a lot of road course.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah.
Every month or something like that.
Oh, nice, man.
And he had installed this clutch, and I guess they didn't tell him he had to break it in, and he went out there to do a little couple of pulls, and bing, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely, it started. It's a pretty
nice car.
I gave up.
Because these you don't really see them that much anymore out in the street.
Clean like this.
Yeah, clean like this. Yeah, you'll see maybe once in a while, but they're pretty.
The only thing he has is that colder, nothing else. Oh, and then
yeah, that's awesome, dude. Okay, Mark. So you said Monday you'll be operational with this, the dyno.
Yeah, bro. We still got to go through some classes with dynocom.
Oh, okay. So, but operation will be a few
by next week.
Next week, okay.
We're good to go. Yeah, it's a lot of gadgets, bro.
Yeah, you got some boxes. You got some goodies out here.
A lot of wiring and a lot of
wiring
modules and.
What's exciting? You're getting back into the
dyno world.
The dyno game here, and anybody that wants a dyno run, contact Mark. I'll leave his info down here below. Facebook.
I got Instagram, and I don't really post on it.
Yes, I kind of say me. I should be working on it. I'm gonna work on posting a little more social medias that I post more on than the car one, because cars kind of like just the niche for cars, and that's it. If you post something else in it doesn't really.
Yeah,
I mean, it might catch attention from other people, but then the people from the cars are probably going to leave.
Well, yeah,
because they don't have anything.
We're talking about other random stuff.
Yeah, random stuff. All right, guys, quick break. Today's video is sponsored by Elipal. Elipal specializes in cold storage wallets for your crypto. This right here is the air-gapped Elipal Titan 2.0. It looks like a phone. And right there, you have all your cryptos that, if you have them, you go ahead and install them into your Elipal. And you could just go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, you just go ahead and put your password and you get to access your funds, crypto, etc. This is very simple to use. You also have your Elipal card. Check that out. I want to be clear with this. You cannot use this at an ATM or a cash register, but basically what you do is you just go ahead and put this card here. You go ahead and create your password, or you could recover your wallet, and it has options. You just go ahead and move it just like this. Power button is right here, your back button right here, and you can press this button and it basically gives you a seed phrase option, and you go ahead and set it up so you can do a 12, 18, or 24 seed phrase option. Anyways, let's get back to the video.
We're gonna start a podcast?
Yeah.
Me and Dave are gonna start a podcast.
Yeah, we're talking about that, so we just need to see what day.
Dave and Grecian.
Yeah. Yep.
The yin and the yang, the good and the bad.
The good and the bad. No, you're the bad person, bro.
No, you're the good. I'm the bad, bro.
No, I'm not good either. We all fall short.
You should ask that question, bro. I mean, how many people would like us to start a podcast? Like we're talking right now.
Yeah. So then, I mean, yeah, guys, so let us know.
Everyday
podcast. Just let us know in the comments down below. So let us know about that. More cars will be here.
This is the beginning, bro.
Yeah, this will be pretty cool. We're gonna be seeing some high horsepower numbered cars out here.
Our other dyno was a 4-row. This is a single row.
Yeah.
It was a 4-row. This is a single row. And then this one doesn't have an e-brake, but I could always add that one later on.
Yeah, you could add. Yeah, it'll be pretty cool, man. Maybe I'm gonna have to bring the Mustang.
Look at their banner, dude. See, that's the banner we got 6 or 7 years ago.
Oh yes, yeah. Oh, that one's nice, man. It has the flag on it.
Yeah,
that's pretty
all about
cool.
America.
Yeah.
USA.
Check it
Look
out.
at that, bro.
Yeah.
I think it's awesome.
Got that Mustang up there, dude.
This is awesome.
Yeah. That is pretty cool.
I asked them if they could put my face right here too. No, they said no.
Yep.
I told them, put Grecia's face right there. No, they said
they said no.
we can't do that, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
You're asking too much already.
Yeah. Probably hang it up there.
I'm gonna replace that one.
Replace that one. Yeah.
So check it out, bro. So we had a forklift. Camera. Well, actually, my cousin helped me.
We brought it in with the forklift. That's what I was gonna ask about that. How did they bring it in?
So my cousin has a forklift. It's 6,000 pounds.
Okay.
That thing weighs 5,000 pounds. So that's 11,000 pounds.
Wow.
On caliche. Well, it started sinking in.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Right here.
Yeah.
The dyno went like this. I was like, oh Lord.
Yeah.
Like, oh Lord, no. Hey, let us rethink this real quick.
Yeah.
And then we got to that post in the entrance, and then my other buddy, Mario Liat from down the road, came with his backhoe, and we went ahead and
Oh, okay, yeah.
slipped it in there.
Sound like a chore, dude.
It was pretty sketchy, but
Yeah.
we got it done.
Yeah, we
And
got
this
it
was
done.
way bigger than our first dyno. Yes, I don't know why, but it's just way bigger.
Well, that's interesting. I thought they were kind of, almost the same, but I guess yeah, there would be different sizes for different applications. I guess.
Honestly, I don't know why it's bigger, but it comes with more goodies. I don't know what the heck.
Yeah. Well, that's
It looks
interesting.
nice.
That does look nice. Yeah.
The other dyno, the pit covers, they were in pieces, but this is just one whole
Yeah,
piece.
it's a whole piece. I noticed that. Yeah. The other one was in two pieces, right?
Yeah, so that one was kind of hard to move too, but it's kind of heavy. And
yeah, I'm pretty sure it's-
But I just wanted to lay it there just to see how it looks, and
Yeah,
it looks
see how
pretty
it looks.
freaking bad, bro.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
I like it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have exciting videos.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see how much my Canamix, some tractors, some backhoes. I'm gonna strap them on here. I can pretty
Yeah.
much put whatever I want.
We put my the Lamborghinis on there. Step on it, see.
Hey, I could have people jog on there, see how much.
Yeah.
Hey,
It'd be interesting though.
it's a roller.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, they'll probably fun hurt.
Oh yeah, the thing will eat them up. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's a roller too.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a big roller.
Man, but that's kind of bit of weight to try to get it to roll.
Just imagine
Run
that
on it.
if the roller goes out, valiendo.
Yeah, yeah.
Replace it.
So, maybe it's better not to run on it. Maybe we'll hold off to that idea until you ask.
So it's fully insured. I pay dynocom for insurance. Well, not dynocom, but I pay a company for insurance on it. So it's insured.
Yeah, that's good.
So that's where we're at right now. I told y'all something was gonna come.
Yeah.
I wasn't lying.
Some cars that'll be coming down. Now, of course, he won't be able to mention numbers on some vehicles because I know some people don't want to, they don't want their numbers out there. We'll at least get the run, and maybe he'll ask the owner if they can videotape it, and that'll be that.
Let us lie with the numbers.
Yeah. You'll be doing giveaways? Okay. So,
merch.
so follow,
That's
like
gonna
I
be
said,
cool.
follow his page. Yeah, guys, that's all for the vlog today. If you're local here, hit up Mark, Greaser Garage, and get your car dynoed here. You don't have to go far away. That's the good thing. It's
Down the
local.
road, just
Right.
around the bend.
Right, yeah. It's in the middle.
Just around the
It's in
bend.
the middle of Brownsville, McAllen, so
right.
that's pretty close.
And it's brand new. It's a brand new dyno.
brand new, so yeah.
And it's a Mustang dyno, so.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.